Welcome back to our Arduino Component Tutorial Series. In this episode we'll be taking a look at buttons. Buttons are everywhere in electronics, serving as input devices that allow users to interact with electronic circuits. They are commonly used in various applications such as controlling lights, navigating menus, and triggering actions in projects. For this video I will use the Arduino Uno, but this will work on any other Arduino too. Let's take a look at how to set up a button using an Arduino. Here is a simple circuit diagram. To assemble this circuit, you'll need an Arduino, a breadboard, a push button, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, and jumper wires. Start by placing the button in the center of the breadboard. Then connect one leg of the button to the 5 volts pin, and then the other leg to the digital pin 2. Use the resistor between the button and the ground to create a pull down or pull up configuration, which helps to stabilize the input signal. Buttons are mechanical switches that make or break a connection between 2 points when pressed or released. They typically have 2 states: pressed, closed, and released, open. When the button is pressed, it completes the circuit, allowing current to flow through it. When released, the circuit is broken and the current stops flowing. This code writes the state of the button in the console. We start by assigning the button pin to a variable. In the setup, we initialize the serial communication at 9600 and also initialize the button pin as an output. In the loop, we start by getting the state of the button through the digital read function. Now we need to check if the button is pressed and make an action. In the end, we need to implement a little delay so the button won't be triggered multiple times by a single press. That's it, and I see you next time.